Yo, check it out, I gotta speak the truth about the hardest working small channel in the crypto booth.
The Bybit hack has everybody spooked. It's spooked the market and prices are dumping. Welcome back to the CryptoFather channel. Today is the 25th of February. We're almost at the end of the month, which puts a lot of pressure on a lot of stuff in life. But today's video, we'll start with a look at the crypto market, then we'll look at Bitcoin charts, and then we're going to jump into everything else that needs to be discussed. A lot of news, last minute news, fresh off the printing press. We've got the crypto market cap at $3.2 trillion, which is a staggering drop. We were on the verge of breaking $4 trillion just a couple of months ago, and right now we're back close to almost $3 trillion again. 129 billion trading volume. Top gainers, Sally A1C, which looks to be 310%, which looks to be a health AI type deal. Bitcoin at 94K, Ethereum 2.6 thousand, Solana $150, Cardano at 71 cents. Tron is the only one that's in green apparently here. Chainlink is not green, surprisingly enough, because it was voted as one of the coins to have included in coins in the best portfolio for 2025. So I'm surprised to see Chainlink not being as green as it should have been based on the grok pump. Sui at $3, Litecoin $122, and Hedra has retraced apparently, but it's looking kind of green right here. Toncoin at $3.57 only. And let's have a quick look at Meowcoin. Despite being down 27%, Meowcoin has had a massive pump to 0001. Wow, I didn't even realize that. $700,000 market cap. How does that go? How does that happen? Man, market cap on Meowcoin is insane. It's literally changes, by a couple of 100,000 from one day to the next. Quick look at the Bitcoin charts. We have a massive drop here. There's a pretty big sell candle here, sell volume, and another one here. Bitcoin is right now retesting this triangle. So even though it broke above the upper line here through the triangle, it retraced back down, and it's tapping this line, and we'll see if it sticks with it. It might, if it breaks below, I guess we're going to see a $91,000 Bitcoin quite possibly once again. And with the sentiment right now, with after the Bybit hack, let's have a look at the news. Elon Musk post sparks DogeFather crypto surge tokens skyrocket. Elon Musk's latest post on X triggered a surge in DogeFather themed tokens, causing prices to spike as investors reacted to his influence in the crypto market. Musk shared an edited image of himself holding a chainsaw with the words "the DogeFather" displayed in the background. The caption read, "This is a real picture," a statement that quickly grabbed attention across social media, and I guess the token pumped massively right after, as you would expect. Surprisingly, it's not doing so for Doge, the actual coin. Kanye West to launch on crypto denies links to YZY tokens. There's been a lot of speculation on Kanye West having sold his X account, and which apparently is being run by some dudes who are going to launch a meme coin on that account and then rug pull on everybody. So the best thing to do is to stay away from anything related to Kanye West. And what business does he have making meme coins? I mean, they're just meme coins. So I guess everybody's hoping for that celebrity pump, which is great for quick profits. But just keep in mind, if you do get into meme coins, if you get into this particular meme coin, you're probably going to lose money. It is a meme coin. It's going to be rugged. There is nothing behind it. It's just a money grab for him or whoever else is running the meme coin, on the back of his fame and glory. Grog 3 builds ideal crypto portfolio for 2025. Grog has dropped the top 3 coins that you need to hold for 2023, and it's no surprise that Bitcoin is one of them. Then we've got Ethereum. The surprising one, and Solana. The surprising one is Chainlink. Chainlink was the last altcoin recommended by Grok, suggesting an allocation of 5%, noting that the cryptocurrency plays a crucial role as a decentralized oracle network connecting smart contracts with real-world data, a virtual function in the DeFi ecosystem. So that was the surprise. The other 3, not so much of a surprise: Solana, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. So that's my point on being surprised at not seeing Chainlink pumping the way it should be pumping based on that Grok announcement. It's actually maybe going in the opposite direction. Superchain will reach 80% of Ethereum L2 transactions in 2025. Optimism executive. Sony, Coinbase, Kraken, and Sam Altman's world are all building on Optimism's OP stack. There was a lot of talk of Ethereum killer, and I think none of them have solidified. Most of them have just been simple copies or doing similar thing with slight alterations, like Solana basically doing the same thing as Ethereum, but with a mega focus on meme coins apparently. But so I think things like the Superchain will come in time to provide a challenge for Ethereum, and the way things are going for Ethereum right now, it might not be a surprise to see something like the Superchain on Optimism to be coming to the forefront, or at least they're grasping onto the momentum, propel this project as an alternative to Ethereum, which seems to be struggling somewhat. And right now that Ethereum is kind of caught between a rock and a hard place, promotion of a serious competitor to Ethereum may be what a lot of devs need. A lot of projects may be considering moving to other chains as the world awaits an announcement from Ethereum in regards to the calls for a rollback. In an interview with Cointelegraph, Optimism's chief growth officer Ryan Wyatt said Superchain now accounts for 60% of Ethereum layer 2 transactions. It's on track to reach 80% by the end of the year. In actual numbers, Superchain currently has more than 4 billion in total value locked and sees 11.5 million daily transactions, Wyatt said. Superchain is a collective of layer 2s that are using Optimism's OP stack to scale the Ethereum network. So far, companies such as Coinbase, Kraken, Sony, Uniswap, and Sam Altman's world have joined the collective. Every chain in a Superchain helps create a flywheel effect by contributing revenue back to the Optimism collective, participating in governance and supporting core development of the OP stack. So over the next year, over the next few months, I guess, and over the next couple of years, Superchain could become a serious competitor to Ethereum. And while everybody's fretting, El Salvador just bought the dip announced by Bitcoin Archive on X. Citadel Securities moves into crypto market making following Trump's crypto-friendly regulation push. Market-making firm is moving to establish itself as a liquidity provider for digital assets, making a significant change in its approach to cryptocurrency trading, according to a Bloomberg report. The firm, known for its dominance in equities and fixed income markets, is now seeking approval to operate on major crypto exchanges such as Coinbase, Binance, and Crypto.com, according to sources. We are seeing more and more institutions hopping onto the cryptocurrency bandwagon, and I assume that this is going to continue for a foreseeable future. We're going to see more and more institutions like that trying to get a piece of the pie. Bybit's ETH reserves rebound past 200k. Is the crisis over? Is a good question. Bybit's Ethereum reserves rebound past 200k ETH post-hack, signaling recovery. Net flow stabilizes, but market sentiment remains mixed because there's fear, uncertainty, and doubt. And just keep in mind that some people seem to be under the impression that the ETH that was hijacked from Bybit has now been recovered. That is not the case. The ETH that has been hacked remains in the hands of the hackers. The ETH that is being sent back into Bybit comes from different sources. Binance, from what I understand, donated 50,000 Ethereum, and a few other exchanges donated a bunch of other Ethereum as well. And this was all done just to keep Bybit from collapsing. And in order to avoid, I guess, a cascading effect similar to FTX. Ethereum exchange reserve chart for Bybit revealed a sharp drop following the February 2025 hack. Nearly 48 hours after the Ethereum heft on Bybit, signals of recovery have emerged in ETH reserves. By the 23rd of February, Bybit's Ethereum reserves surpassed 200,000 ETH, rebounding from a drastic decline. Simultaneously, Ethereum net flows, funding rates, and CME features open interest provided critical insights into market sentiment post-hack. Before the incident, Bybit held 443,691 ETH, 1 hour after the hack, reserves plummeted to 39,000 ETH. However, as of 23rd, reserves are back to 200 ETH, indicating a gradual but steady recovery. This rebound suggests that Bybit actively replenished its ETH holdings to meet liquidity demands and restore market confidence. But analysis of Ethereum's funding rates signaled increased selling pressure as funding rates turned negative following the hack. And it seems like people are now talking about Ethereum entering a bear market based on one particular metric. ETH has technically entered a bear market, at least that's by one very basic definition, which suggests that a coin is in a bear market when its year-on-year returns are negative and vice versa. It's the same theory that says Bitcoin's most recent bear market, which spanned 490 days between February 22nd and June 23rd, was its longest on record. ETH's year-on-year returns were negative for almost that entire period. As it turns out, ETH's year-on-year returns minus staking again flipped negative 10 days ago on February 14th. That's the first since June 2023, which is either the very early innings of the current bull market or the very final moments of the previous bear market, depending on how you look at it. So not to give up hope, but things are not looking great right now, and looking at the market, I mean, it's not a pleasant look. And finally, Blockware nears major public partnerships to bring Bitcoin mining to retail, and that's something interesting. Blockware is finalizing partnerships with 2 public traded Bitcoin mining firms to bring mining access to retail investors. Blockware has developed technology to seamlessly integrate with large-scale miners, allowing them to list machines for retail purchase with minimal disruption. Apparently, they've figured out ways that will allow them to deal with compliance challenges as well as retail buyers. Japa revealed that Blockware has structured the partnership so that it handles retail interactions, shielding public miners from the operational burden. So that should be interesting. They don't want an army of retail clients if one of their machines goes down coming after us, he explained. So what happens if Blockware will be the one that actually contracts with the public company, and then we contract with the retail clients, so they only interface with us. Crypto Lifers host Sam Price praised the model, calling it genius. He also added that he wants to walk into the supermarket 5 years from now and he wants to see someone talking about their crypto rewards. He wants to see a 26-year-old kid showing off his friend his mining rewards. That would be interesting to have retail investors, younger generation, mining crypto at home with small to no investment. Well, maybe not no investment, but to small amounts of investment without having to cough up thousands of dollars on miners. So bringing Bitcoin mining to retail is an interesting concept, and let's see how this works out. But apparently right now they're making $1 million a month. They've got over 17,000 users. We're really seeing some growth. We're doing over $1 million a month in revenue just on marketplace transactions. So that's a massive boost. If you're interested in mining your own Bitcoin, you can access Blockware by simply going to Blockware. Just type it into Google, Blockware Marketplace, and you can find all the stuff they need to do. Browse through it and have a look. And also, if you are storing your crypto anywhere, I suggest you store it on the Descent biometric wallet from Descent. Right now you can pick one up for a discount of $30 with the CryptoFather channel ref link, or pick up 2 of them for a discount of $99 on a pair of these pups. They're about this size, biometric, and fantastic wallets to have. Remember, not your keys, not your crypto. Don't store your crypto on exchanges, because then you're facing hacks and possibilities of losing your crypto. 2 exchanges hacked in the past month, Zegex and now Bybit. Bybit is recovering. Zegex, not so much. People were able to recover their funds. Luckily, nothing was stolen, but the threat is still there. So make sure to pick up a Descent wallet. Ref links below the video. Thank you for tuning in. Today is a Tuesday, so have a fantastic rest of the day, and I will see you tomorrow on a Wednesday. Peace.